about something magical.
Oh, really?
Yes, it's called Magical Safety Circle.
Wow, that sounds great.
See this. This is the circle around you all the time. It's invisible, but it's very special.
What is it for, ma'am?
This circle is yours, and only you decide who can come inside.
Who can come inside, ma'am?
The people who make you feel safe, happy, comfortable.
Who can't come inside, ma'am?
Sometimes someone makes you feel unsafe, unhappy, or uncomfortable. So you don't stay. You don't stay silent. You have to go and tell your parent or teacher. Let me show you. Chintu and Gudiya, come here.
Yes, ma'am.
Chintu, stand in this circle.
High five, Chintu.
Yay!
Wow, when Buddha came in my circle feels warm. I am very happy.
This is because it's safe touch.
Hello, beta. How are you?
Your tiffin.
Wow. When mom came in my circle started sparkling. I am so happy.
This is because it's called safe touch. Remember, beta, when someone loves you and respects you, your magical circle feels warm and safe.
Ma'am, I got full marks.
Good, beta.
Wow. My circle feels butterfly. It feels so good.
Yes, that safe touch. It makes your magical circle shine brighter.
Where is mom? Mom is too late.
Hello, beta. I'm your father's relative. Your father said to take you from school today.
No, we will go ourselves.
Come here, girl. I have cookies for you. Remove your hand.
My circle feels unsafe.
Don't argue. Come with me.
Help! Help!
I am so proud of you, my dear students. Remember, when someone tries to come in your circle and make you feel uncomfortable, so you did not keep silent. You say no and go and tell a trusted adult.
Yay! My stop came. Now I finally go home. You want chocolate, beta? Chocolate. Wow, that's my favorite.
Thank you.
Eat, eat. I will give you more. Eat.
Remove your hand. My circle is unsafe. We are here.
Don't argue. Come with me.
Help! Help! Mom, help! Beta, you did the right thing, and we all, your parents and teachers, were always your safety team. We will always believe and protect you.